A. Revanth Reddy, Telangana steps into a transformative era, a future where people rise first, because when people rise, a state rises with them. A future shaped by inclusive development and shared prosperity. Economic trajectory. Telangana's growth wave is unstoppable. From a $200 billion economy today to a $1 trillion milestone by 2034, to an ambitious $3 trillion vision by 2047. Growth driven by clarity, commitment, and collective will. Three-layer development model. The state's master plan unfolds like ripples spreading outward. Inside Outer Ring Road, India's knowledge and services capital. Between Outer Ring Road and Regional Ring Road, Asia's emerging manufacturing powerhouse. Beyond Regional Ring Road, a green, sustainable agricultural economy. A future designed with precision and delivered with purpose. Bharat Future City. Rising next, the blueprint of Bharat Future City, India's most advanced urban ecosystem. An AI city, an arts city, a financial hub, a global rival to New York, London, Dubai, Singapore, and Tokyo. A new tech powerhouse born in Telangana. Riverfront and urban renewal. A once dry riverbed transforms, flowing again with life, light, and opportunity. Trees bloom, the waterfront thrives, and a 24/7 night economy awakens. Vibrant, safe, and full of energy. Connectivity revolution. A modern state demands modern mobility. Metro rail expanding from 71 kilometers to 160 plus kilometers. A 12-lane expressway linking Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. A world-class dry port boosting global trade. Bullet train corridors to Chennai and Bengaluru. Undersea fiber cables powering the digital future. Connectivity that accelerates opportunity. Manufacturing powerhouse. Telangana emerges as India's premier China Plus One alternative. A production powerhouse in pharma, aerospace, defense, EVs, drones, solar, FMCG, and white goods. Outer Ring Road and Regional Ring Road cluster alone, poised for $300 billion in industrial output. A new era of Make in Telangana pride. Women empowerment, a movement, not a message. 10 million women powering the state's rise. Leading enterprises, driving EV buses, running petrol pumps, malls and services. Free travel, free rations to 31 million people, and green housing support. This is not symbolic empowerment. This is structural empowerment. Farmers of Telangana. To the hands that feed the state, respect and reassurance. Loan waivers. Annual agriculture investment. Insurance coverage. 500 rupees per quintal crop bonus. And free agricultural power. A commitment to every farmer's dignity and growth. Youth. Telangana's greatest strength. The youth rise in the field of world-class education. Young India Skills University, Sports University, elite residential schools, free books, uniforms, and nutritious meals, shaping a confident new generation. A state redefining excellence. Telangana stands among India's most successful states, leading in economic growth, job creation, global investments, and public safety. A state not just rising, a state redefining excellence. This is Telangana, rising with its people, rising with purpose, rising towards 2047. Jai Telangana.